Okay, welcome everybody. Looks like we are live today. Get my chart set up here. And my bias looks like we're going up. Now, we are a little bit a ways, pretty good ways away from the EMA. So, maybe it wasn't the best time to get in. Looks like we got a ways to truck it. Ways to truck it and go up here. So let's see how this goes. I might actually move my stop on this. It looks like the bias is to the upside currently. It might come back and retrace to the 21 because we are a ways away from the 21. Um, we're a ways away from the 21, struggling to get moving. Hopefully it shows some strength here soon. But I think it's going to go up about to the 26,110, 112 area. And then I think we might see a reversal after that. Now, obviously I've been wrong. You've seen me be wrong before. So that's what I think is going to happen right now with my bias. If the price action moves up, if the candles price move up 25 points, I automatically move my stop 20 points, lock in some profit there, and then I might follow candle by candle. But man, it's getting pretty far away from the 21. I almost wonder if it's going to come down before it takes off again. Yeah, it looks like it might. Because it's pretty far away. But, there are those times where it just keeps taking off. There are those times. Let's see what we're doing here. So my channel, you'll see there are a lot of people doing strategies. I mostly base mine off of psychological hurdles. I've found that there are on average 22 psychological hurdles that every profitable trader has to overcome before they are consistently profitable. Usually by the 11th psychological hurdle, the person is very consistent. They're not crushing it. They're not making tons of money. But they are making money more consistently. More green days than red, let's say. I'm going to move my stop here. Just go ahead and take profit. And then let it retract to the 21. Just do that. It's not showing a whole lot of strength here.
Stop filled.
I'll let it come back to the 21, then if it takes off, I'll go again. I think it's going to go up to about this level here today. So, by the time they overcome the first 11, they're pretty consistent. More, let's say, more green days than red. And by the time they overcome 21, 22, they're crushing it. They are absolutely crushing it. Rarely they have a red day when they overcome the 22 psychological hurdles. Now, I'm not promising that anybody is going to necessarily do that. I'm not promising anybody's going to make any money in this industry. I actually can't promise, in this industry, you can't promise I don't multitask very well, as you can tell. You can't promise finances and the financial outcome, but in psychology, I certainly can. I have worked with 5,100 people exactly to date. Probably pick up another one, 5,101 here today. We'll see. And now, this isn't traditional psychology, so I'll get into that in a bit. But what I want to say here is, um, you can't. Trying to think where I was going with this. You can't promise financial rewards in this industry, but in psychology, I can. Because if you do the same things every day that you can control, the small things that make the big differences, I can control those things, and I can guarantee that somebody has the discipline, that somebody has the consistency, that somebody's going to get the results. That part I can guarantee. I've been doing that for well over a decade, 5,100 people one-on-one to date. I can guarantee that. Um, as far as the people that I've worked with, not everybody gets results. I'm going to be honest. But there is nothing like it in the whole therapy industry, not even close. Um, the American Psychological Association, they'll say that it takes on average 1 to 3 years to start seeing results, which I think is absolutely pathetic. Like, seriously? You're going to tell somebody who's struggling with depression, anxiety, worse, that it takes on average 1 to 3 years to start seeing results? Like, they're not going to stick around in a bad way. They're not going to stick around. Nobody wants to feel that garbage. Nobody. So that's pathetic for an industry that's been around for centuries trying to help people to be better. Pathetic. And they say the traditional methods are only 43% effective. So I say, screw that. Let's keep it, G-rated here. I say, screw that, because no way, no way are people gonna want to go through that. So I don't pretend to be perfect here. So I have gone through as many people as I can, and I continuously do, because I'll never exhaust it all. But I've gone through the ancients like Sigmund Freud, Carl Jung, Friedrich Nietzsche, and then more contemporaries like psychologists like uh, Dr. John Demartini, Carl Jung, or uh, Robert Dilts, Dr. Dobson, and said, "Hey, are these guys gospel related? Because the gospel is not broken. I'm not trying to fix it. Are these guys gospel related? Because if they are, then what I want to do is I want to say, all right, I'm going to use their techniques. If they're not, can I tweak them so that they are? And if they can't be tweaked, I get rid of the technique. Now, there are a lot of psychologists, each with their own forte, their strengths, their weaknesses, each of them with different techniques. So there's a lot to go through. It's probably inexhaustible. But I tell you what, since I've been doing that, my results are off the charts. There's nothing like it in the entire therapy industry. So my success rate with 5,100 people to date is 83.3%. Nothing like it in the industry. It's almost double what you'll normally see at 43%. And you'll see, like, I'm not perfect. My trading is not perfect. I still make mistakes once in a while. But it is way different, and way better than what you'll probably normally see. So let's see here. I'm gonna look at what's going on right now in um, my YouTube. Make sure I got this set up right, because I'm trying to multitask, and you'll see that is one thing that Aaron does not do particularly well. try to get this. Okay, so there's the retrace. I'm going to go ahead. Let's see if I got a nice risk to reward to take this back. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead. I think it's going to go up to about this level. Go ahead and see what my risk to reward is if I were to get in now. Let's see here. It might be about time to jump back in. Let's see what we got. I'm going to go ahead and do it. I think we got a ways to run.
Order filled.
I think we got a ways to run. Let's see here. And of course, it might trap me. Take me out. But we got a ways to run on this. Trying to see where a good risk reward might be. That's pretty good. I might even move my stop down. I think that's a pretty good place to enter, around the 21. Yeah. See how it fares. Looks like it's got a ways to fall before it starts going up again. But maybe not. Maybe not. Might just keep grinding all the way up to that level. Just analyzing here. Making sure that my YouTube channel is set up. And for anybody who wants some help with this psychological hurdles, put my link up so people can get to it. We're coming up on market open here in about 6 minutes, 5 minutes ish. And let's see if we make it run up. If it takes me, I'm going to let it take me out. If it goes up 25 points, I'm going to move my stop up to 20 points to lock in at least 20 points profit. Let's see if we're going to start to get some strength on these candles. Probably definitely get stronger. I mean, it's very typical to get stronger near the open. In about 4 minutes and 45 seconds left. Very typical to get stronger on the open because more people trading when the market opens rather than pre-market. And if we see a lot of strength, I might even add more contracts to this. Let's see what we're doing here. We're going to trap people on the way down and then start moving up. They're going to trap people with these wicks, making them think they're going up and then taking it down, and then trap them on the way down and then move up. Kind of trap them both ways. Okay, so yes, if it takes me in, I'm going to go ahead and let it and then wait till a stronger candle going to the upside. But if it just keeps going up, I'll let it. Just wait for this, wait for this play out here. And that is generally how this goes. Alright, got about 2 minutes and 40 seconds left till the open. See some strength to the upside. Come on, baby. Sometimes, not to give away their positions, they will come down and make everybody think it's going to go down before they move up. Get some more shares, get some more contracts, so they can take it to their profit levels. Okay, 2 minutes till go time. Showing some support down here. Difficulty getting down past that level. Those wicks are taking out some of those stops and going up. Alright, maybe we'll just go shoot straight up. Those are easier on the emotions. Alright, 120 left till game time. What you gonna do? I've noticed earlier in my career, that sounds funny, because I've been trading maybe about 3 years, but I noticed I used to put in a lot of size. Really want to get this and make lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of money. And you can pull money out of the market consistently in this industry. There we go. 40 seconds left till showtime. You can pull lots of money out of the market in this industry. Make a very lucrative income. I noticed earlier in my career, I used to just put on a lot of contracts because I wanted to make a lot of money. And you'll see that I'll, through this account, I just want to start with an eval account, what we got here. We're going to pass the evaluation, and we're going to start to get paid through this prop firm. You can do it with a cash account. There's no problem there. Alright, market's ready. Let's go. Oh, you're going to come down, are you? Not giving all that back. Let's go. There we go. Oh, okay.
Stop filled.
It took us how fast, did it? still think it's going all the way up to that level. But is it going to come back first? Now, isn't that interesting how it took me out, even though if we get another good entry, I'll get in again. That's what's going to happen. We're going to get another good entry off of 21 and shoot up to that level about up here. Don't see anything yet. Let me make sure my accounts are closed. Oh no, they are not. Positions open here? Not supposed to. Okay. Everybody saw my Apex account number, which is not really what I'm hoping for. Usually try to block that sort of thing. Change that size, change this size. So in the future, after I pass this account, you won't be seeing my account number. There we go. Okay, we're going to get another entry. Take it on.
Order filled.
Take it on up. About this 1, 10, 1, 12 level. Yeah, go on up. If you would, please. Retrace before you take it on up. There you go. Take it on up. Let me retrace before it takes it up. Okay. And if it does, I'm going to get back in for the next one. There we go. Show some strength. Show some strength. Let's go. Get it up. Retrace before it comes back, huh? Showing some difficulty at that level. Yeah. Look at that. I'm not letting it come all the way back and take me out there. Push it on up. That's some nice strength in that candle right there. That's nice. And it's about to that level. We've still got another ways to go. You gonna take me out first, or are you going to go up to this level here? That's at least 110, 112-ish. Now if it takes me out, go again if it gives me a nice strong candle. Push it up. Okay, well maybe we're going to retrace first before we start pushing up, huh? Okay. Let's go. Show some strength, baby. Okay. Take me out first. And put it a little bit below this width here.
Stop filled.
Show some more strength. I'm going up. Wait for a good buy signal. Make sure my positions are closed, because last time I left one hanging, man. Okay. Left one open last time. Didn't like that. Okay, we get some strength here to go back up to that level. Okay, this will be it. Trap them on the way down. See where we're going with this. don't believe it's headed down just yet. That could be it.
Order filled.
That could be the strength we need. Oh, it trapped me again, huh? Would you look at that? I didn't think it was done yet.
Stop filled.
Got me again. That looks like a pretty strong candle to the downside if I ever saw one. That on my screen. See, that's the one. The one to go back up? Not yet. Not yet. Okay, now we're cooking now. Ready to go up? Not yet. Let's see. My bias is still long, for sure. My bias is still long to this area. About 26,110. Let's see if we get it. Strong surge to the upside. Let's see if we get it. Not really a surge to the upside. In fact, we might be going down first. What are we going to do here?
Order filled.
I'm thinking we're going. Let's see, we're going to break this level here. We're going to break it. Yes. What they're going to do is trap people go down before they go up. They're going to keep going up. Alright, that's some good strength. Okay. Sometimes it retraces back to the 21 before it goes. If it does,
Stop filled.
go ahead and capitalize on some of those profits before we go up. Probably after it hits this level, 26,110, probably going to call it just to be done. Yeah, just be done for the day. Okay, let's see if we can trap people to the downside before we start heading up. That's what I'm looking for. Make sure I'm out of my positions here. That one time you saw it left me in, I didn't want to be in. Okay, so we're up a little on the day. Let's get my account number here. I have to get all that fixed so nobody keeps looking in my business. Oh, missing the ride up.
Order filled.
That's a good one. That's a good one right there. Let's see if it traps more people going down before it goes up. I'm not moving my stop. If it keeps going down beyond that, it'll have to take me out, and then I'll move it, and then I'll get back in after a strong move up like this. And my bias is formed, as you can see. Let's see what we do here. Nice. Nice price action there. Still been known to lose before, by the way, but let's see what happens. Got my stop under the structure here. Let's go. Take off. So at about 94.25, 26,094.25, it'll move my stop up 20 points. It goes up 20 points, which is about 40 or 25 points, which is a little over $40. It moves my stop up to 20 points to lock in some of the profits. Might have been good to put 2 contracts on this guy. Move things along a little bit. We're just going to grind our way to the top there. And after it does reach that top, I'll probably be done for the day. Could do some other things to work out. I got some psychology clients later on today. The reason I got into this was for some extra money. Can't guarantee the money part, but I sure as heck can guarantee the psychology part. The consistency, discipline to follow the rules, and when people follow those rules and are disciplined and they're consistent, the money takes care of itself. We're struggling a little bit to get up there, aren't we? Some resistance above. Okay, so we got a consumer confidence report coming up here in 15 minutes. I wonder if we're going to beat it. Get to that level before the consumer confidence kicks in. If it takes me out, that's fine. I'll get back in. I think it's going all the way up to that level. Let's go. Push it on up. There we go. Push it on up.
Stop filled.
Then I'll get back in. When it wants to make it run up. So I do not think we're done yet. Let's see if we attract enough people to go ahead and take off to the upside, huh? If they want to grab some more shares, more liquidity before they head on up the other direction. It's quite the bias I have. Maybe I shouldn't have such strong one that's going to go up to that level. I do believe it will. That's it.
Order filled.
2 contracts on that one. I think we'll go on. And if not, well, I'll wait until we get back in if it shows some signs of strength to the upside. Oh, okay. Well, that's how it's going to play out, huh?
Stop filled.
Okay. Well, what are we going to do now? Play it out and see what happens. Oh, wow. It's going to come all the way down first, huh?
Order filled.
Come down to about here first.
Stop filled.
Okay. Get some of that on the way down before it goes back up. It'll probably come down to about 36-ish. Maybe a little push down before it starts going back up. Let's see. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not. I'm going to hold out just to be sure. Not sitting in any positions right now, am I? Nope. Got a little bit of profit here. See if we can get some more. $10 on the day because of commissions. I am showing my accounts again. Got a few things to change out. Make sure they're YouTube ready. Okay, now we're making a move.
Order filled.
Alright, start rejecting. Don't take me out just yet. I Oh, I was gonna make that low.
Stub filled.
Make that low first.
Order filled.
About 36, I thought. Got some struggling going on here, don't we?
Stub filled.
There we go. And now let's see if we get a reversal. Reversal, we're gonna strong the other way. Okay, showing signs of promise. See if we get like a double bottom here. Didn't take it the other direction. I still think we're going up to this level. Let me see. Show me some strength here, thank you. Show me some strength. Down 46 bucks on the day. It finishes strong. I'm heading up. Yep. It finishes strong. I want to head up. See what we're doing here. It's a big red candle, like 2 candles ago. We're gonna keep coming down here.
Order filled.
Close. Now we heading up? Oh, okay. Trap people and head down. It's about the 20 level, I think. Let's see if that's it. Consumer confidence coming up in about 6 minutes. Should bring it down. It's stalling out on me. Here I had a bias to the upside, now it's showing. Perhaps it's going to go down a little bit more before. Stalling out on me. Okay.
Stop filled.
Now,
Order filled.
up we go. Uh-oh. Huh. Dang. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Hasn't taken me out yet. Keep going, keep going. Come on, push up past this. Push up past this. Go all the way up before you come back to the 21. I'll make some nice profit today. Yeah, show that strength all the way up, all the way up. If it comes down and takes me out, I might get back in if necessary. I thought this candle showed some strength, but maybe this one shows it's coming back and retracing first. We'll see. I'm not moving my stop and giving all that back. Push up. Let's see what happens, or if it's going to retrace first.
Stop filled.
Okay, it's going to retrace first. Ready to get back in up to that level. We're not done yet. Just see that thing take off like a rocket. I thought my computer froze. Up to about 2610. Let's see if we get it. Don't think we're done just yet. Consumer confidence, that happened yet? 3 minutes until we see that. See some strength here. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay. Looking like here. Looking pretty good.
Order filled.
This level, perhaps. Make it. Come back first, take us out, and then go. That happens. So we just play the probability. Retracing going on here first before we go. Consumer confidence report comes out in about 35 seconds. It could take us out or go up. I actually don't know what's going to happen with that. Markets have been pretty high and hot lately. Alright, about 10 seconds till that consumer confidence report. I would suspect we're at least going to challenge this level here with that wick. Okay, consumer confidence. There's that statement. We're struggling to go up, aren't we? Show me some strength or something, man. I thought it was going to take off like a rocket. Nope.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Right back in. Plus contracts. Let's see what happens if we're going to take off or not. Okay, show me some strength here. I'm still got this bias that we're going up. I haven't seen what I want to see just yet. Please take off. Okay, if I see some strength, I'm going to put some more size on this. Maybe. There's one for now. Still have that bias that it's going up. Let's see what we get here. Nothing yet. Okay. Let's see if we're going to break this low here before it starts to go up. Trap some more people, get some more shares. If it does, that's okay. I'm not moving my stop. I'll just keep it there. And then get in again if strength is there. Showing signs, maybe. Let's see. Okay. And that alarm set for a consumer confidence report. That's done with. Didn't get as much strength on that consumer
Order
confidence
filled.
as I thought I would.
Order filled.
Okay, let's move. Hmm. 1, 2, 3 rejections at this level. Okay. Let's see where we get to. Let it play out. It goes up 20 points. Excuse me, 25 points. I'm going to move my stop up 20 points, lock in some profit. So that would be about 89.50. Going to go up to. Alright, we're going to move with some conviction here. Moving with conviction the other way. That is 3 or 4 times that it rejected that level. Look at that. Rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times right here to this level. Okay. Put my stop about under the swing low here. See if it's going to make it past this level this time. It's been rejected several times. Just trapped in that area. Hopefully that means we get a breakout to one side or another. It could actually trap people down here before it goes. Yeah. Could trap people down here before it goes up. Under this swing low, make them think it's going down, break into the downside, and then goes up. That could happen. In which case, it stop me out. Up you go. It's puttering out at that level. It's going to stop me out and then go. In which case, I'll just get right back in. Play to the probability. It's like flipping a coin. Win some, you lose some, except this one's a little bit weighted towards one side. So it wins more often than not. What if it's going to grab some liquidity below this swing low here and then head on up? Let's see. They do that sort of thing. Grab some more shares before they head on up the other direction. Make us wait for it, huh? I'll be in this for a while if it decides to just hold off at this level. That's a pretty strong candle. There we go. This right here, that was a pretty decent candle. There we go. Strong on MNQ, strong on NQ. Still getting held up at that level, huh? Look at that. Well, it wicked below that big candle there on MNQ. Some more shares, whichever direction is going. I'm wondering if it's gonna wick me out, go below this level here, grab some liquidity below this swing low, and then take it up. Let's see. Let's hope with this strong candle here, it's gonna keep going up. Aaron doesn't always get in his way. Not showing the strength and the speed I would like to. Just happened to go work out. It's not like my commute's very far. I just hear my basement over there. Okay, okay. Kind of stalled out. Make a move here. What you gonna do? Breaking out. Okay. Keep showing that strength. Be nice to be done with this trade. Move on. What you gonna do? Well, I like the risk reward. It's very common that they come back here, go below, grab some more shares of people who are waiting down here, and then take it on up to their desired take profit level. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. not showing much strength, man. We're just putzing around. Hmm. See if we get some support here. Push it on up. Otherwise, we might be trucking down for a little bit here. About 40. If it's gonna trucking down. Hmm. Yeah, certainly looks it. Certainly looks it. Some strength there to the upside. Show me some sellers. Because it might take me out. That's a strong candle on NQ right there. On the right chart. Yeah. Okay. Well, might take me out and I'll just get right back in. If it shows a strong signal to the upside after taking me out. Hmm. Looks like we might incur a loss here. Let's see. But that happens. Take me out and then I'll get right back in if it shows strength to the upside. I still think it's going to that level. Well, that was strength. Closed above the 21. Sometimes that's promise. Sometimes that shows some promise. Sitting and waiting. I'm glad you've seen it here first, folks. Or maybe you've seen it elsewhere. Sitting and waiting. And that's one of the reasons why I like to trade futures because there's some other markets like options. This, you have to be right within a certain amount of time, and if you're not, the longer it takes, the more it eats away at your potential profits. Other markets are not always like that. Options is, yeah. Position my chair because the sun's coming in my face. Okay, gonna take me out. What you gonna do? It looks like it might. It might at least make a new low from this point here. Go under that. I still have my bias to the upside, so we're hanging. We are hanging out here.
Stop filled.
Okay. Now let's see what happens now. We made this low and made a lower low, and we're going to turn around here after taking this swing low out, heading back to the upside. Let's see. Mm-hmm.
Order filled.
Got one contract on it. Add some more if it shows some strength. That's what I'd like to see. Hmm.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. Let's move this time, huh? Play it out, see how it goes. Might be in a waiting game again. Hmm. I think they're just taking some more shares, pretending to go low. But if they do, I got my stop. That's why I got my stop. That's a strong move down, man. Okay, well, if this is that strong, stop right under here, probably. See what we do. Okay, well, might be taking us out. Position myself over here. That sun's not in my face. Is this the one? Show some strength and go up to that profit level. This one I might actually hang on to it even if my stop goes up to capture 20 points. Might actually move my stop so I can stay in and move all the way up. Let's see what we're gonna do here. That we might be moving down before we go up. Yep.
Stop filled.
Okay. We'll play it that way. Play it that way. That's fine. Might be headed down before it heads up.
Order filled.
I think it'll probably go to about that level. Let's see. Probably should have waited to get in on a better entry rather than let it. Should have gotten in like about at the retrace right here. That would have been a better entry to wait till it retraced up to here to come down. Alrighty. So it comes down and then take it up to my take profit level. I still believe it's going up to here. It's going to retrace first, it looks like it's going to do that. Okay. Here we fall to it's going to fall a little bit. Be good to get the NQ on this one. This one's coming down. Grab the NQ on this one, man. do that.
Target filled. Order filled.
Grab the NQ on this trade down to the 22 level-ish. Yeah, there we go. A lot more on that guy.
Stop filled.
There we go. Make some of that back. I don't think it's done yet. So I might actually get in again.
Order filled.
That was not a good entry. That was not a good entry.
Stop filled.
That came away on made a little bit, but no, that was not a good entry. Those entries are very important.
Stop filled.
It's not done coming down yet. Go get a better entry, because that was not a good entry. At least I made a little bit, but you can get eaten up real bad on those if your entries are bad. Okay, let's see if we turn around here soon. Okay, that's a little better. A nice entry point there. You want to retrace.
Order filled.
See if this guy wants to drop. Do something about that sun in my face. It's that time of year. There we go. That might help for a little bit for the next 5 minutes until the sun keeps coming this way. that's nice. Almost want to add another contract to that, man. That is nice.
Stop filled.
Okay, here we go. Waiting for my entry to come back down. There it is.
Order filled.
Oh, didn't happen like I thought it would. Thought it would close on its low. And the last couple ticks took a little bit to transact. Okay, moment of truth here. Let's go, baby, all the way down. Keep going. Not done yet. There you go, all the way down. That's good.
Stop filled.
Pretty good. Alright. See where we're at on the day. Positive 95, because we lost a lot. Just going to tell you like it is. You win some, you lose some, but you play the probability. That's how this game goes. You just play the probability. I've got a little bit left on that.
Order filled. Target filled.
There we go. You play the probability. There you go. So now we're up a little bit. But you can see, like that last trade, it's like, dang, Aaron, you were down, or you were up 400, 500 bucks, but I was also down 400 or 500 bucks. So you play the probability, because that's how this game works, man. You win some, you lose some, and you just have to play it out. But you can't start cheating. Can't start changing the rules. Can't start changing size inappropriately. Can't start changing strategy. Nope. Because the moment you start to veer on strategy, you're not playing the same probability. So we keep doing it. Okay. Should I dare say, I think we're still going to this level. 26,110. I still think we're going to that level. We'll see if it's time to get in or not. It's time to get in a workout, that's for sure. Time to get in a workout. My son texted, and I missed it. Okay. Get a little ride back up.
Order filled.
Here, let's see. Follow this guy up. Oh, gonna follow me down. Okay. Thought we were gonna go up to the 21 here. Maybe not. Got some more falling to do, huh? I don't think so. Oh, actually, maybe we do. I'm looking at this chart here. Just gonna text my son here. I'm actually gonna dictate it because it'll be a lot faster than writing it. Se não agora, quando? Se não hoje, quando? Se não eu, quem? Se não agora, quando? Just texting them in Portuguese because I had some friends that give some advice saying, if not now, when? If not me, who? If not today, when? Because sometimes people have difficulties and they're waiting for someone or something to come and pick them up, and that day never comes. So they learn to take actions.
Stop filled.
Things happen. Oh, we're going down more, aren't we? We're not done.
Order filled.
Get this in order here. This last night, almost the same pattern. And dropped. Now we're doing it during the day, and maybe it'll take a lot less time than last night. let's see where we go. Get back to my text. So I had some friends in Brazil that lived there for a bit. They would say, if not now, when? If not me, who? Okay, go out and take some more people out before we start heading up. Let's try this. I have to change the take profit too if it heads up even more. Yep, there it is, getting more profits. I don't think it's
Stop filled.
Oh, yeah. It might be done. We're up to our level now.
Order filled.
Yeah, let's move it. Move it on up. I'll continue my text. Means if not now, when? Oops, I forgot to change my if not now, comma, when? Question mark. If not me, comma, who? Question mark. We need to be the movers. We need to be the shakers. We need to have faith with works. Oh, dang. What's all this about? Not done moving down, are you? Yeah, I'm distracted. That's for sure. So if it keeps going down, making this second leg, we're going down to here. And if we're going up, I'm hoping we finally hit this level. And it's not letting it go. Okay, looking strong to the upside right now, but we'll see. That could change any minute. Texting my son here. Gives me something to do while I'm waiting. A lot of quiet going on. A lot of quiet. Actually, I might have misread this. I might have misread this. But I still believe it's going up to that level, but where I might have misread it is it might not be the right part of the cycle to start heading up. Might be putzing around again. What if we're going to be going through this grinding until it finally happens, huh? Someone does something. Nice to text my son when I'm waiting for this trade to set up. Keep moving. Keep moving. My cool teens asking some deep questions about life. He's a really cool kid. Proud of him. I was hoping not to have to wait for a pullback. Okay. Wait for this guy to take off again or stay in. Hmm. Hoping to see some strength like we were seeing over here, right? Starting to take off now. Retraces. I wonder if we're just going to be grinding the rest of the day. I don't want to be sitting here all day long. Could do some other stuff, man. Aaron's still got his eye on that level. Still got his bias, doesn't he? Might be time just to call it. Just call it. Hmm. I don't even care if I just call it and it goes or it doesn't go, Just be time. I want to get to some other stuff. Yep. So, see if it takes me out or not. Maybe I'll get back in, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just be done. I want this to be a means to an end. I'm not just sit here all day. And I do know some people who do sit here all day. I used to be one of them. But I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I want to take care of my physical health. I want to spend time with loved ones. I want to be there for my kids. I want to be there for other people and keep going with the psychology because it's really fulfilling, I'll tell you what. Being able to help people, help them find themselves. 83.3% success rate, man. I get a huge kick out of it. It's huge. It's wonderful. Makes my day every day. So if you're needing help with the psychological hurdles for trading, I don't really share my strategy a whole lot because I don't even think it's most the strategy does matter. Don't get me wrong. You got to have the strategy and you got to execute. Because if you're not executing the strategy, it's not going to be worth a hill of beans. So didn't think I'd ever be saying that. Parents would say that kind of thing, and I don't think anybody even says hill of beans anymore. So, alright, we'll give it a few more minutes, but I kind of want to be done. I definitely want to be done before noon. My wife's taking off. She's going to go teach. She teaches dance at a local university. Almost time to move that stop up, like it was before right here, huh? Almost 20 points. Almost 20 points. But if this keeps surging up, I might actually, this thing keeps surging up, I might actually keep the stop back a little bit, give it some room to go up all the way to my bias, my take profit. Let's see. I don't think it's done going up yet. Are you done going up yet? Oh yeah, you might be done going up. No, this thing's just grinding up. It could be a while. That's why I want to be done. I don't want to just keep watching this thing grind and finally get to that level. I don't got time for that. Not with other people I want to help out today. What you gonna do? Not waiting for you to come all the way back to the 21 either.
Stop filled.
Get in again if it's a good opportunity to get in. Looks like it might be right now.
Order filled.
Alright, let's move, baby. Let's move. Ha ha. Doing the opposite of what I just said, huh? Yeah, this thing's just grinding. I don't want to sit through this. Could just leave the screen on and come back whenever I'm done working out. A lot of momentum going down, isn't it? What's going on here? Well, I'm going to call it for the day. I just want to be done. We did fine. We just gave back the last trade we did, but I don't want to sit through this grind, man. I don't want to sit through it. So, wait for this trade to play out. If it takes me out, it takes me out. I'm going to be done. Yep. Got things to do. fine if it takes me out. Kind of want to be out. Right under this wick here. Let's go. Thinking it's going to take me out. I want to be done. There we go. So I think while this is a good trade, I believe it's going to go up to this level. I don't want to wait all day for it. Such a big, big move. Might not happen today. I thought it would, actually. I thought it was going to happen this morning, as you saw some of my trades earlier. But, and it's not that far away. About 100 points. NASDAQ moves over 100 points in a day. Okay, here we go. We're about done. Maybe if I say we're not done, then it will. We're not going to be done. Then it'll take me out opposite day, right? Struggling to get down below that level, isn't it? Okay, get me out. Be done for the day. I'd never do this with options, man. Okay, would eat up all my profits.
Stop filled.
Okay, Aaron's done for the day. How we do on the day? 41 profit. We were up 200 at one point. I might trade again later, but I need to get some other stuff done for the day. That's just how it goes. Up some, down some, up some, down some. Yeah. Where is this going? Trying to tempt us to get into another trade here. Yep.
Order filled.
Should have called it so I can go work out. Just kind of waiting for this trade. I saw it yesterday. I was like, oh, this could be a good one, but probably just need to be done. Gonna fire off, man. Fire off or no? Went above this level. Swing high. Ranging, folks. We are ranging. EMA is kind of sort of flat. And if it's going up, it just seems to be grinding up. So maybe what I'll do is I'll just, it might take me out, so be it. But I think I'll be done for the day. Just walk away. And if this, however this trade plays out, it plays out. Because I don't really care to watch it. Yeah. Up some, down some, up some, down some. Right now we're a little bit into profitability for the day. But if it takes me out, it won't be, which is fine. We're up overall on the account by like $700. And just let it be. Yeah, because I want to be done. Got some other stuff to do. I got some physical health to take care of. And all right, call it here for the day. And I will see everybody tomorrow. All right, have a good one. If you want help with the psychological hurdles, there's nothing like it in the entire industry. 83.3% on 5,001 people to date. Not everybody achieves their goals. Most people achieve them within 4 to 6 weeks. First one. Then the second goal, I have them do 3 goals. Second one, probably about 50% hit the second goal. And maybe about 10-20% hit all 3 goals. But about 83.3% hit the first goal. Yeah, within the first 12 weeks, that is. Some people continue because they want to hit more, but yeah. I mean, if you're consistent in the things you can control and disciplined, and that part I can guarantee, the rest is going to take care of itself. Yeah, the money will take care of itself. I don't guarantee the money. I guarantee the consistency and the discipline, the rest. It's a byproduct. That's what happens. All right. Till next time.